tutorial is an origami finch like these two me and my mum made earlier. So first, you fold it in half diagonally, like this. So you reach triangle. Then unfold and fold the edges into the middle, like this. So it looks like a kite. Now fold the top part down to the bottom, or on the other side, so one side looks like this and the other like this. Now fold this corner down to the center, and do the same with this corner. Now unfold these and fold this corner, pull it like this down and then flatten. And do the same with the other one. So fold it down. Like this. Then fold this flap up to the crease you have made earlier, like that, and do the same with the other one. So it looks like that. Now fold this up like until the top and fold it back down. This is called a pleat fold. Now fold it in half so you reach something like that. Then inside reverse fold here to make the beak. And now decorate your bird with some pens. In the comments, let me know what you think these three birds should be called. Bye!